Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to boost up your laptop or your computer system. Usually we come to know that after installing a Windows, we our system gets hang or it is taking too much time to respond. So I will show you in simple way how to reduce your system file and how to make it more progressive. Now here you can see the memory usage is 6%, 77%. CPU usage is 24%. Yeah, disk is 15%. So I have only opened two softwares like Google Chrome and one recording software is that. But in real case scenario, there would be here you can see 85 background processes are running. So it is completely insane because here you can see PostgreSQL even though I have not used it. So this usually consumes your memory, and in order to fix it, I will show you the simple hacks to do the same. First, what you need to do, you need to just open your command prompt called Windows plus R, and write system dm.cpl. Yeah, this dm.cpl. So once it gets open, go to the advanced, and in advance go to the visual processor scheduling, first option. Okay, and in this case in visual effect, if it would be by default, let Windows choose your best for my computers, but you need to put it adjust for the best performance, so your computer performance will be boosted. Okay, and then select apply and yes and okay. So your first step is done. Now your second step is to go to the service.msc. It is very important, services.msc. Once you click it, you need to go to sysmain, and if in order to find a sysmain, what you need to do, you just need to double click and sort this by ascending order. So in the bottom we go to where is as and sysmain. Okay, so this sysmain is very important, we need to focus on. Okay, what is it? Okay, sysmain. So here automatically it would be set as a automatic. Okay, what you need to do, you need to just double click on it, double click and go to the general, and here in startup type, put it disable. You might have automatic, put it disable and say apply. Okay, so this is the main thing which will reduce your computer's load. It usually kickstart the automatic processes which you frequently use. Say for example, if I use SQL Server, so by default it will trigger the SQL Server processes. Okay, next thing is you need to go to the task manager. So how you will go, you will just press Control Shift and Escape, so you will come to the task manager. Now in task manager you need to go to startups. Okay, in startup you can see a lot of processes would be triggered. So here in this case you have to be very specific which processes are very important to you. Other than that, I suggest to disable all the processes from the startup. Say for example, Google Chrome is there, I have disabled it. How you can enable or disable? Just click on any one line and right click and do enable or disable. I strongly recommend to disable all the processes except Windows security and key Logitech download assistance, where whatever are system related. Rest of the all processes, please disable it. So this was the third step. Then go to the drive menu. If you go to the task manager, okay, here my task manager is there. So it is recommended that at least 50 to 80 GB of space should be free from your local drive. Here my local drive is 500 GB, so and space is 250 GB, so that means I have a free 250 GB space. Okay, so this is very critical and important, because whatever the processes are running, Windows will try to create the cache memory which will require some additional space. So it is recommended to keep a space at least 50 to 80 GB free. Then next comes to the cleaning the unnecessary files. So in order to clean the unnecessary files, what we will do, we will again go to the command prompt. Okay, then we'll type a clean mgr. So and click the clean mgr, so it will pop up to you the one dialog box called disk cleanup. Okay, so by default it would be c, so select the c and it will fetch your system, and it will delete the all unnecessary files. Okay, so just hit ok, so it will create all unnecessary files, so there would be less load on your system, right? Next is cleaning the temporary file. So again go back to the windows plus r button. Okay, and type a percentage temp percentage. Okay, so here you will be triggered to one folder location. This is like a temporary file. If you see any of the files here, please select all and delete all, because this is not important. It is a system generated catch file to run your system smoothly. It has nothing to do with any system file. All right, so same way, like control plus r, type temporary. Okay, this is a temporary. So once you hit the temporary, you will find many system dump file would be there. So a simple thing is, you need to clear it, control a, shift delete, so all this file will be removed. Wherever you see this file is opening somewhere, so just skip that file. So by this way, you have to you have done necessary things to boost up your system, and the final step is to restart your system. Once you restart your system, your computer will be super fast. Yeah, so I hope you like this video, and this was the very important steps to make your computer like a super fast. If you have inquiries, feel free to post in the chat box. Thank you very much for watching this video.